Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can easily fix unable to join game session in Call of Duty Warzone or Call of Duty Modern Warfare. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go here to your Blizzard Battle.net and turn off the game and click here on options and click here scan and repair. So this is the first thing that you can do. Now the second thing that you can do is go to firewall and allow an app through a firewall. And if you don't have the Call of Duty, you need to check it out. So check the Call of Duty Modern Warfare that you're gonna allow it. And these are the two ways how you can fix unable to join game session. But this is on computer. If you're on a PS4, I don't know how to help you there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you everybody and have a great day and goodbye.